Hi guys, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. On this channel, we cover the crypto news and we interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. I've got some great interviews lined up for you guys over the next couple of weeks. First up is Meltem Demir's of CoinShares. Second is Chris Yim, who's the CEO and co-founder of LibertyX, which is putting Bitcoin ATMs in 7-Elevens, CVS, Rite Aid pharmacies across the US. And Dan Moorhead, CEO of Pantera Capital. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, some very big news around Ethereum as well as the blending of the traditional financial markets and the crypto market. Let me give you the details. Trading begins for a new Treasury-based SEC-registered digital security. Arca launches Ethereum-based trading for new fund based on shares in U.S. Treasury securities. Now, Arca has a coin called ArCoin. The ArCoin runs on the Ethereum blockchain and represents shares in Arca's U.S. Treasury Fund, which is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and is composed of 80% U.S. Treasury securities. So guys, check this out. They have a coin and it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's great adoption for Ethereum. And I hold Ethereum in my portfolio. And it includes U.S. Treasury securities. So you have a great hybridization happening here, a blending of the two financial worlds. And they've kind of found a workaround here in a sense of getting crypto involved. And they have their own coin. And those coins represents the shares of the U.S. Treasury Fund. Very interesting, right? Another use case I would say here for crypto and digital assets. Very, very interesting, guys. So here's the history of the fund and the new token. Arca's successful filing dates to this past April. However, the firm has been working on the product for 2 years alongside law firm Morrison & Foerster. The fund is tradable through a specific portal, which facilitates peer-to-peer transactions. However, for the time being, ArCoin is unavailable on any major securities exchanges. In a prospectus filed with the SEC in April 2019 for the then developing ArCoin, Arca explained that in the future, Arca UST coins may be tradable on a public, decentralized, or centralized electronic exchange platform that is registered with the SEC as an alternative trading system, ATS, although there is no guarantee any such systems or platforms will be available. Guys, these type of coins and digital assets that are registered with the SEC, you're going to start seeing them on stock exchanges. I kid you not. That's what's coming. Everything will be tokenized, and we've talked a lot about the token economy, and crypto and digital assets started the whole movement, and there's going to be interoperability with all of these coins and with Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP, and obviously a lot of these coins, as with ArCoin, are going to run on the platform. So obviously this is running on the Ethereum platform. This is really big, guys. Shows how big this market's going to be. Gerald David, president of Arca Capital Management, which oversees Arca Labs, told Cointelegraph of their motives for using treasury-based assets. We wanted to create an instrument that invests in traditionally lower volatility assets, and the U.S. Treasuries were an ideal choice from that perspective. So we'll see how this unfolds and continues to grow, but great adoption around Ethereum, and that's why I have it in my portfolio, and great use case here of crypto and digital assets, man. This is amazing. And as you can see here in my portfolio, Ethereum is my number 3. I think it has the first mover advantage from a smart contract standpoint. And I think there's going to be others that are going to do well. You know, you have Tezos, and obviously Cardano just finished their Shelley update. But Ethereum has a lead start here, and we're expecting Ethereum 2.0, proof of stake. So let's see how it goes. Now on to the next big news. Travala.com lets travelers once again book Expedia hotels in crypto. So more on and off ramps being built for crypto, the ability to buy, trade, sell, spend, whatever it is you want to do with crypto is being set up so that consumers can go and purchase items with their crypto and merchants are able to accept them and so forth, building another layer on top of the whole e-commerce economy and so forth. So Travala.com, a Binance-backed online travel agency, is adding support for Expedia bookings in a partnership that brings Bitcoin payments back to the traveler giant's properties for the first time since 2018. So you may ask, well, I thought they were doing this before. Well, Expedia was accepting a bunch of crypto back in early 2018, or I should say in 2017, but then they kind of shelved the option into June 2018, and this is probably because of the bear market. They weren't seeing much demand, right? But as the market continues to grow and mature, obviously they can open this back up. So I think things have progressed since 2018, and a lot more better technologies out there, and the market has grown since, and we continue to see higher prices. So very interesting that this is back, and it's great that you can use your crypto to do this. Now, Kraken subsidiary brings regulated Bitcoin futures trading to Europe. So we continue to see expansions across the board from traditional companies getting involved in crypto and from crypto companies going global, right? And offering new services. So the cryptocurrency exchange's subsidiary has secured a UK MTF license and can reach new customers in Europe thanks to the official stamp of approval. So not much to take away here, just that these exchanges are expanding. And once again, it takes time, money, and resources to do this. You have to build offices, hire people there, obviously get the licenses. So I want you to think about, once again, why are these folks investing the money to do it? Do they want to lose money? They're a business. They want to make money. They want to be as profitable as possible. But they know what's coming, and they're building the infrastructure, getting position in key markets, and you're going to see once this thing starts to take off again, the FOMO is going to kick in, and the institutional players, the smart money, are getting in now. Obviously, such as Paul Tudor Jones and a lot of the Wall Streeters. Finally, Gibraltar Watchdog grants license to Belarusian crypto platform. So I love to call out the global crypto news to kind of reinforce how big this thing is. Not just the United States, it's not just Europe, whatever it is. It is global. Currency.com obtained a distributed ledger technology license from the Gibraltar Financial Services Commission. And I haven't personally used Currency.com, but this is great that they're getting this type of license and expansion, right? According to the announcement, the platform will be allowed to use DLT to store or transmit value belonging to others in connection with the provision of dealer and custody services, thanks to the license granted by the GFSC. Speaking with Cointelegraph, Jonathan Squire, CEO of Currency.com, gave insight into the company's intentions for the license. For our European clients, we're aware that they have a preference for a recognizable legal framework for the venue through which they trade. Gibraltar is based heavily on the laws of England and Wales, so we intend to engage with clients and entities in the EU using this license. So as the company is primarily focusing in the UK and EU, Squires praised Gibraltar's efforts to regulate cryptocurrency and the nation's strict application process for crypto-related companies. So great to see the different licenses and regulations opening up for crypto. That's a great sign, guys. All these folks getting their licenses. I wish New York, which I'm obviously very close to here, would open up more of the bit license. They have done some things recently to kind of open that up and let more companies, but they need to loosen it up a bit more. There's a lot of companies that want to be working and get their things going into New York, but they're waiting on that license. But nevertheless, things are progressing, and it's exciting to watch it all unfold. So guys, what do you think about this news around Arca coin, obviously based on Ethereum, and the blending here of the different financial markets? I think this is big, just such a great use case. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later.